Did you know why rufous-fronted wood-quail is important in nature? The rufous-fronted wood-quail is important in nature because it helps maintain the balance of forest ecosystems. By feeding on seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates on the forest floor, it aids in seed dispersal and controls insect populations. Its foraging behavior also helps turn and aerate the soil, which improves nutrient cycling and supports plant growth. Because the rufous-fronted wood-quail lives only in healthy, undisturbed forests, its presence is a sign of good environmental conditions. Protecting this bird helps conserve forest biodiversity and ecosystem stability.